Hello and welcome to this video on the soldering station. A soldering station is a type of soldering tool that is used to join two metal components together by melting and flowing a filler metal, known as solder, between them. Soldering stations are commonly used in a variety of applications, including electronics repair, jewelry making, and metalworking. A soldering station typically consists of four main components: a soldering iron, a temperature control unit, a soldering iron stand, and a soldering iron tip. The soldering iron is a handheld tool that generates heat to melt the solder and is used to apply it to the metal components. The temperature control unit allows the user to adjust the temperature of the soldering iron to suit the specific needs of the soldering task. The soldering iron stand is used to hold the soldering iron when it is not in use, and the soldering iron tip is the part of the soldering iron that comes into contact with the solder in the metal components. Soldering stations offer a number of benefits over traditional soldering irons. For one, they are more precise and efficient, as they allow the user to adjust the temperature of the soldering iron to suit the specific needs of the soldering task. They also tend to be more durable, as they are designed to withstand heavy use. So there you have it, a brief overview of the soldering station. Thank you for watching.